Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Carmen. Today I will make an video on the news. I asked who the news was. I told me the situation in the dilemma of unschooling results and recent days. The discovery of 24 billion pesos. Without excusing the general rural systems, was in the news were some needed with the situation of the country. It means the possibility of investing in different projects that allow solving the amount of needs suffering with the economy, population and the lack of sources de financing. Allow the was not a valid designing system, and it did not have very clear and current objectives, affirms. This exchange failed to have a positive impact on the communities and what is stated in the fifth paragraph is the irrefutable sums on one of the great scorming of the system. One explanation the existence of some scarce resources in the priority, having though the methodology with which the projects should be present and not to the fulfillment of goals, the prioritization of investing or having listed no territorial needs from the point of view of institutional and social and affirm. Congratulations.